what we're going to be cooking today is sea bass, roast potatoes and vegetables. Now look at that amazing, beautiful sea bass. But all we're doing today is we're going to gut it. We're going to leave the head and tails all on it and then get it straight on the fire. But what we do, every time you're gutting any type of fish, just run your finger and thumb down its belly. And as you can see there, a bit of wheeze coming out of it. That's the first thing I want to do. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get my fillet and knife. I'm going to go with its bum and give it a little nick. And I'm going to go all the way up through its, past its fins. That is it. And our goal then is to open it up. And all you're doing then is getting your finger and thumbs and you're running it down the back of it. And you're just pulling out all the guts. Like so. You've got to be careful when you're doing this as well. You don't want to burst any of its bladder. You don't want any poo on the inside of it. Then when we've done this, we're going to give it just a little clean with water. Then we can spice this up, get it wrapped in tin foil and get it cooking. Get all the gunk out of it. And it's as easy as that.
Right then, now Steve's done the hard bit, I'm going to jump in with the easy bit. I'm going to light the fires, get all these things raging, so we're going to use a wood burner to keep his stove from Snow Peak, and we're going to use a Petromax just to boil these potatoes up, and let's get going. I'm going to save time because it's probably going to rain, I'm going to chop these potatoes up and it should help them cook a little bit faster.
Let's get rid of one on the go. It's fine on the go. Let's get rid of one on as well.
Yeah, can do that. So we're going to get on with the lemons now. We're going to stick these on the inside of the fish, cook everything from the inside, and then we're going to wrap it, whole fish, in a little blanket and foil. Loads of it, right?
Bit more?
Yeah, go for it. Beautiful. Start lobbing these lemons in there.
And we went.
There's that. The time, straight in, no messing about. Lots of flavour, lots of aromatics. Go for it right in there. Beautiful. And the last to go in, garlic. Bit of olive oil, please, Steve.
Tell me when.
Go for it. Beautiful. Now then, so this is Geezer's meals, alright, so we're not super fancy, although I might look it. Right, we're going to get rid of these scales. They easily, once it's cooked, we'll just whip them straight off and be left with loads of meat. What we've put in there, loads of salt and pepper on the inside, lemon, thyme, olive oil and garlic, and that is going to come through really, really nice. And we're going to probably end up cooking this for about 25 minutes. That should have us beautifully done. pat these down, get all the moisture out.
Lovely. Seasoned well.
Then we'll get that wrapped up nice and tight. Take that for the
beautiful. That is amazing.
That is beautiful. Taking requests now. Steve goes home on Monday. We've got one more day. What meal do you want us to cook? Me or Steve? Your choice. Cheers.